What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Trying to get some stuff out of here real quick. Nothing else. Nope. Using an old package apparently for cushion. I guess that works, right? Um, I don't think these are going to be Civivis, but oh, what the heck is that? I don't remember that. Dude, I don't remember what that was. I think I remember. Yeah, I remember this one. Obviously, I don't remember. I don't even remember what that. I don't remember what this is. AGI, I guess is what it's called. Let's check this out real quick. So we also have a Nightshade right there. So this is Kansept. I guess some Damascus. I've not really had a lot of Damascus knives. Yeah, I guess it's called the AGI right there. Here, let me see if I can. There you go, AGI. It's a Michael Galovic and a Michael Komarovsky. So I guess that may be the designers. I'm guessing some kind of serial number or something like that right there. Um, Kind of a compact, small knife. Good lord, it is small. But it is coming in from Kansept. It's got carbon fiber right here. I do like the carbon fiber. That looks really nice. Got a nice, probably titanium backspacer, titanium side of the handle, or I don't know. Could be steel. I'm not quite sure. It looks more like it's going to be steel. I'll have to do a final review and get that information out to you guys. I'm not quite sure. Nice little pocket clip though. Titanium. I think it's titanium, I want to say. Like I said, I'll have it in the final review for you guys. I'm not quite sure because I was not even really tracking what this was or even getting this one. It is skeletonized a little bit on the inside, a little bit on this side, and then quite a bit on the carbon fiber side. Nice little frame lock. It is kind of snappy though, not bad. It is smaller though. It does look pretty dope with the Damascus. And I'm not a Damascus person or anything like that at all. I just don't really like it, but for some reason it looks good on this side with that carbon fiber. It just kind of pops. I don't know. I like that. Kind of dope. But it's light too. It's light as all get up. And not too bad. Like I have about average hands, maybe a little smaller, and they fit pretty well. Like if you have a bigger hand, you might have a little bit of problem just trying to keep your fingers on there. Not bad though. No jimping or anything like that. It looks like the top of the blade is like concave a little bit. Ignore all the freaking cuts on my hand. Good lord. Well, those are calluses, but man, I don't know. Don't look at them. Right? Yeah. Try not to. Huh. But yeah, kind of cool little thing. Not really. I don't know what to talk about. Really, I haven't given. I don't. I just wasn't expecting this. Good lord, I'm like starstruck because I actually kind of like this. This is kind of cool. It is a little small though, but it's long though. Here, hold on. We got a mini Praxis right here. Let's kind of. I would say it's very comparable to that. There you go. It almost feels smaller than a Praxis, like the handle wise. It probably is just a smidge smaller handle wise. That's kind of crazy though. I don't know what the price point, even remotely, on something like this is. I'm not like I said, real knowledgeable on Damascus. So I don't know how expensive it can be. I've seen like cheap Damascus come really cheap, but you could tell like it looks like cheap crap on some knives. It almost looks like a cheap like freaking like sticker that they put on there in a way. You know, no, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe this is me. Maybe I'm crazy. We'll put that to the side though. Let's move on to what I've been kind of really wanting to check out. I talked about the mini Nightshade a while back. It was not a bad knife. It was pretty decent. Just didn't like that it was. It was kind of odd because it was small, and it was an odd blade shape, handle shape. So I was really kind of waiting to check out the full length version, just to see if it's better for me. Like I said, it wasn't a bad knife. It was nice. It looked pretty, pretty well put together. Looked pretty sharp. People told me, I honestly, I have not heard a bad thing about the Nightshade or the mini Nightshade. So I was like, you know what? Let's give it a try. Give the full length version a try, and let's kind of go. So you got the pot clip right there. Definitely got some movement on that thing. Good lord. L-Max, we all like, well, I don't know about we all. I like L-Max. Van X, L-Max. Those are like about my top two. I don't know why, just are. Got a little bit of jimping right there. I like the jimping though. Jimping's pretty nice. It is smooth though. Wow, that is smooth. That falls too. Nice and drop shutty. Boop. There we go. So nice little frame lock right there. Some jade scales, G10 scales. It's skeletonized a little bit on the inside, just a smidge. I actually really like this. I'm assuming titanium. I don't know about the pot clip. I've never seen titanium like this spongy before. I guess bouncy, that bouncy. Pocket clip is recessed, and so are the screws, which are nice. Let's try the finger hole real quick, see how this works. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so I like putting my finger, like nail right there in the hole a little bit. I feel like it does flick better. When I try to put my meat of my finger in there, and then try to flip it up, yes, it opens, but I feel like it doesn't pop. You know what I mean? Like I feel like I can really make it not pop like that. When I put my fingernail in there just a smidge, like I feel like I can get a little more oomph on it and really get the pop. See, that was with the meat of my finger and it didn't pop. Slow roll, the little detent. Maybe it's just the detent is just so light. Slow roll's nice. This ain't bad at all. Man, see, I know I've been seeing like Ultim Nightshades out, and I was like, I don't know why. Ultim is just cool. Smooth Ultim. Smooth Ultim looks nice. Now the other type stuff, like I thought maybe the smoked version, the blurry version, whatever you want to call it. I thought that was maybe I thought I liked that better at first, but I think I really like the smooth clear Ultim now. I think it's a little nicer. A little, I don't know why, a little classier. How about that? A little classier. But this it fires. It's nice. I can't remember what the blade shape's called, like Shikari. I can't remember what they call it. I can't. I know I'm seeing it in my head. I just cannot remember. And that could be totally off. I thought it started with an S though. But this thing is pretty nice though. Nice little ergos on it. The blade shape was always kind of goofy to me. I don't know about anybody else. It just looks like it's a little goofy, nice little hump right there, nice big belly, and looks like a whale in a way. I don't know why, like a whale. But people have talked about it, and I remember watching I think it was a live on Bees Blades. Yeah, Bees Blades. I think that's where it was. He was talking about it. He says he loves his Nightshade. He loves the blade shape just because of it works for certain things for him better than most knives, you know. Yeah, he said I don't know why. So it works, I guess. Maybe it was the big belly that he liked on it, or maybe the point two, all the above. He said he just liked the way it worked, and it makes sense. Like other knives, they work better with other things, like Warncliffe or not Warncliffe, Sheep's Foot. Obviously, that's going to be a hard lot, for puncturing, like boxes, stuff like that. You're obviously not going to be doing that, but it's going to be great for cutting. Like if you have like a drop point, something like that, that's obviously going to be better for puncturing boxes or stuff like that. So each blade shape has different things or different ways to use it, I guess. Or they work better with certain, I don't know how to explain it, like they work better with certain types of uses. If I worded that correctly. If that didn't sound correct, if that didn't sound like kind of like it made sense, let me know down in the comment section, because it probably sounded kind of stupid now that I'm thinking about it. It just like certain blade shapes work better for certain things. Okay, that makes sense a little better. But I do want to get one of these because I've been seeing some Ultim stuff. I can't remember if it was a mini Nightshade or a Nightshade. I kind of just want to get one of the Ultim just to kind of go with the collection. But yeah, this thing's pretty nice. It's all L-Max, love L-Max like I said. And the jimping is phenomenal also. I wonder if they could do like a front flipper. I don't know. That'd be kind of cool though. But super dope though. Pretty impressed with it. I like the stonewash look. Very nice. Feels very sharp. It actually feels really freaking sharp. Like it's It'll light you up pretty quick. But super dope knives. This thing I still can't get over. It's kind of crazy. It's so freaking small and just and like I feel like since I had a baby a few weeks ago, like 8 weeks ago, whatever. I never said I would do the baby talk crap, but now you have your own kid, you have your own baby, and that's what you start doing. And I feel like that's just what I want to say. I just want to like baby talk with this little knife because it looks like a freaking little baby. I don't know why. That was a little weird story. Sorry about that, but it makes me freaking like feel like baby talking because it looks like a little baby knife. It's cool though. Don't get me wrong. Like I said, it's cool. But that's all I've really got though, guys. If you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comment section. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.